to Amidias TV!
Where are you going, Matt? Dinosaur Island?
Nathan, where are you going? Dinosaur land.
What are you eating? Pixie sticks? Pixie sticks.
Pixie sticks?
You're so excited to see the dinosaur? We can ride a dinosaur.
Welcome po ma'am sa Dino Trail po, and ito po yung life-size animatronic dinosaur. And it's made of rubber and foam, and by using sensor they move and they create sounds. Ito po yung first dinosaur is Apatosaurus, name means the subdead lizard. Also known as Brontosaurus or the thunder lizard. A long neck and a long tail. Saan po sila ma'am? Tag-isa. Ang layo po. O pwede po natin yan ma'am pahawak. Para pumano po nila.
You wanna touch the tail?
Touch?
He doesn't want to touch now. You want to touch? Yan.
Hi, Mommy, there's the sea.
It's in the sea. It's a river.
So what's that, Matt?
Next po natin na dinosaur is si Parasaurolophus. A long-breasted black-billed dinosaur.
Crested lizard.
And si Parasaur is lived during late Jurassic period around 76 million years ago. And can walk on 4 legs but can run in 2 legs. They are ornithopod po sila ma'am. And si Parasaur po is a good swimmer. And yung breast po nila is used for enhancing their sense and also trumpeting sound to the other dinosaur. Okay ma'am sir, take a picture po ma'am sir. Brachiosaurus, his name means arm lizard. And they lived during late Jurassic period around 150 million years ago. And a long neck but a short tail. And classified as herbivore or a plant eater. And a female Brachiosaurus can lay almost 1,000 eggs, but only 3 can survive. And the next dinosaur. Stegosaurus. And Stegosaurus means brook lizard. And Stegosaurus is classified as herbivore or a plant eater. And also has a 17 bony dorsal plates on its back, and it's embedded to their skin, not on their skeletal. And also has a 2 pairs of spike located on his tail.
Mati!
And it has a bony rounded plates on its back, and it's embedded to their skin, not on their skeletal. And a family po siya yung mga Stegosaurid family. Kaya meron po siyang brain size po ng ulnat, but intelligence among Stegosaurid family.
Hello, baby.
Hello, everyone.
Angostina raptorus or Ganarius. And
Mama,
the
go
live
there.
in middle Mediterranean.
Tapos jump kayo.
And classified po siya as carnivore or a meat eater.
Okay, you go. You go. Sa ilalim.
Kaya ako man yun.
Big short, come on, baby.
So, I'm in the dinosaur
Island.
island. Dinosaur island. And there's the cage of the crocodile.
Mati.
Classmate, Mati.
Oh, sige na, you go after
Okay, ma'am. Gusto niyo po ma'am magabil po ma'am 20 pesos each po.
Leche, oh. Oh, tapang, oh. Ayan, yan. Smile, Metan, smile. Ang galing ni Metan, oh. Pinakain yung dinosaur, oh.
Matt, look at here, Matt.
Daig ka.
Manang po sila sa ay. Yes, yun na yun kuya.
What's...
Wow,
Ano daw?
Spinosaurus.
What, Mati?
Spiders!
Higat po.
One, two.
Claw.
Have a look.
And they lived in around 125 million years ago. And sa kanya po nag-exist po yung alligator and crocodile.
Sugat?
Yes po ma'am, sila po yung yes po, that's right.
Matt, is it
Mati.
Blue? What?
Sila po yung na-feature po nun sa movie na Jurassic World po. Oh, Triceratops.
Buti Friday tayo. Ang dami kanina eh, isang bus. What's that, Matt?
And there's the langgam. The langgam.
Dala. Dilophosaurus. Ang Dilophosaurus.
At ang pinag-aaralan natin si Dilophosaurus for the two-breasted lizard.
What's that,
And
Mati? The
Dilophosaurus is
Dilophosaurus?
a spitting dinosaur. And yung ini is kung kanina po, kayo po yung lumalapit sa dinosaur, ngayon po kayo po yung lalapitan.
Oh my God! Yan yun. Wow! Dito nang gimi.
Sabi kayo ni Kuya Rem. Sabi kayo ni Kuya Rem.
Manalinok niya na yung
Okay pa, enjoy po tayo. Pwede po natin siya mag-videoan po.
Bubbly, bubbly,
Wow! Trumpet!
bubbly, bubbly. Set it! You see that girl with the tick tie, she be gimme the, head to the floor, girl, gimme the, bend over, girl, and gimme the, sit down to the ground, seismic activity, bend round the girl and gimme the, top wine, girl, and gimme the, body looks fine, girl, gimme the, coming out with some time, girl, gimme the,
Did you take the capture of it? Wow!
Girl, tayo na sa Jurassic World.
Turn that off.
Bakit nandito sa gilid yung dinosaur? Ay, si Jurassic, dito na tayo. Ayun na.
Ay, tao pala yun.
Tao lang yun eh. Dahil nagsayaw sa ating kanini.
Oo.
Tao lang nasa dugo ng ano. Share mo na. Tao lang. Sakit! Agad si Kuya. Kuya! Mami lang gabay. Ba yun?
Naka-video ka?
Ba't lagi na dito sa kanan? Anong gagawin niya? Baka naman nagdala ang camera na kanan.
Nakaano sa leg.
Baka masabi.
Ayun na!
Di ba may nilagay doon? Kasi parang kami naman pasimaran. Dahil kami dito.
Talaga siya eh.
Alabas na siya. Tawa lang naman yung ano. Salamat. Mascot lang naman. Nakita niyo naman. At Nathan. Mascot din ba yan? Mascot din?
Kuya, wag mo akong aanuhin.
Hindi baka biglaan niya kanina.
Kuya,
Kasi
wag ah.
record lang. Baka
Wait,
Huwag na kuya!
mga bata.
May mga bata!
Hi, say bye-bye. Wag na, kuya. Tingnan mo, good naman. Babait naman si Ray.
Bababay ka naman.
If you talk to them, sabi mo, kuya, wag. No. Not us. At ay, sige yun.
Tulog.
Sumayaw!
Ay, sige ito ba? Oh, yun yung dinosaur, naka-dinosaur.
Kalit kaya nun.
Wala din yung dinosaur naman po.
Mati, dito mati. Mati, lahat here.
Bakit?
Are you afraid, Nathan? Baka matamit pa. Baka may surprise. Ay, kuya, baka matakot yung bata, ah.
Baka ikaw yung bata.
Kuya, may bata!
Kuya, may bata po.
Baka kayo marinig eh. Ayan, nasa likod, oh. Ayan na.
Kuya, may bata po.
Bata po!
Bata po.
Ay, may bata.
Bata. Ay! Parang nga mala Jurassic na.
Ano, Jurassic?
Tinatamaan kita.
Oo, kasi yun yung kunwari. Ikaw sa Jurassic.
Kuya, may bata.
Kuya, may bata.
Bata.
Hindi siya tinamaan.
Wala ka ng egg? No?
Uy, ba't ganun?
Nasaan ang egg?
Basta.
Say goodbye.
Bye!
Bye.